Welcome back to Pentagram Prime. As you can see, the staff here is excited because today we will be using a new trick to determine the convergence of an infinite series. More on that in a moment. The series in question, while it appears to be a geometric series, is different due primarily to the factor of 2 in the denominator. A logical choice for comparison is a geometric series with components similar to the series that we are testing for convergence. And it's easy to see that this series is convergent using methods standard for a geometric series. When you're using the comparison test, it's important to ensure that both the series of known convergence and the one with unknown convergence have positive terms. This was mentioned in the definitions for both tests in episode 3.03. but I neglected to mention it in the previous two lessons. So whereas we used the comparison test for the previous two lessons, we will be using the limit comparison test in this example. As we saw in the definitions, we will be taking the limit of a sub n divided by b sub n in order to test for a common divergence or convergence, assuming that the limit exists and has a positive non-zero value. Lately I've considered that while I need more coffee, I'm already going broke on filters. And I don't actually need more coffee, I just don't like to use my French press. But then I don't even like making coffee in the first place, and I'd prefer that, in a perfect world, I'd have a barista at my disposal from sunup until the moment that I pass out from a caffeine headache. Like beer, cause of and solution to so many of people's problems in life. Actually, I don't think I ever got hungover after going to a cafe, but where was I? Yes, limit is equal to 1. Don't forget what these things mean. Keeping in mind the definition for the limit comparison test, we notice that c is greater than 0, therefore, both series are convergent, and by implication, baby knows all. 5 over 2 plus 3 to the n is convergent for n equal to 1 to infinity. And since I would hate for anyone to have to take my word for it, here's a graph for your convenience. Join us next time when hopefully I will introduce something that looks like animation, and hopefully my timing is a little bit better. This is Pentagram Prime signing off.